What's up, y'all? It's your girl, and I am back for another hair review video. Now, today we have this beautiful look from Nadula Hair Company. Let's go ahead and get into these details. Side note, this beautiful champagne colored robe that I'm wearing in today's video was sent to me as a little freebie gift from Nadula, which I absolutely loved. I love getting stuff like this because then you just feel beautiful while you're putting yourself together, girl. I love it. All right, as you guys can see, this is a beautiful 99J color, full ear-to-ear lace with the elastic band in the back for extra security. This is a 26-inch unit, and I love every inch of it, baby. Okay, I'm super excited about it. Look at that bounce, honey. Ooh, look at that shine. Look at it. Oh, yes. I'm telling y'all, I haven't been this excited about an install in a minute, so let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just slide this on, band in the back first. I love when units come already ready to go like this. I just slide the band on in the back first, adjust it, make sure it feels good, and then I slide my cap over the back and I secure it with the little comb in the back. Whip that thing around, and then I'm going to go ahead and just kind of measure it, see where I might want to cut the lace. You know, kind of get a feel for it. Oh, feel myself a little bit. Look at myself and be like, oh, you're a baddie. Yes, honey, she's giving. Then it's time to get on into this glue down. I'm going to go ahead and use my Ghost Bond glue as I normally do. I'm going to add 2 layers of that. I'm going to let them dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and come on back. So, yeah, Cadence, I don't know, decided to just come in and ask me something and stand there for a good, I don't know, the entire time I was drying the glue. But anyway, back into it. I've kind of got it to where it's a little tacky. I added my 2 layers, and I'm going to go ahead and slide that unit right back on over where I applied my glue. Now, I'm not the best installer when it comes to units, you guys, but this is what works for me. I try to keep it as simple as possible because I am not a hairstylist, and I like to be a baddie, but at home. I don't see myself paying an arm and a leg for a professional install. So if I can figure out how to make it look passable at home, your girl's going to do it. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just slide it in and gently press in so I can kind of get it sealed where I want it to be. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut off that extra lace. And yeah, we're going to proceed from there. All right, so now that I went ahead and got that lace cut away, it's time to figure out how I want to style this baby. And I couldn't decide at first. I thought I really wanted to go with a flipped over to the side look, which is my signature vibe, y'all. I love a good curly hair flipped to the side. Don't ask me why. I just feel like I look good in that. And it just, I don't know, I just love it. Okay, it's giving 90s, but I love it. The only thing is I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it like I thought I would feel it, but it was still really cute that way. Then I couldn't figure out if I wanted it on one side or the other. So I went ahead and just did a simple middle part. Okay, I'm going to take some tweezers and act like I know what I'm doing. And I'm going to try to tweeze the middle part just a little bit, just to get it to look a little bit more natural. But girl, not too much, okay? Light on the tweeze, because you don't want to look bald-headed, okay? Now I'm going to try to do baby hairs. Now, listen, y'all know me and the baby hair situation. It's not always giving. It's always a fight. It's always a tussle, okay? They're always putting up a little back and forth with me. But I think I got it. Now I'm starting to learn when I curl them like this, you know, that little trick that everybody's doing, it makes it a little bit easier. Is it the best? No, but I make a passable baby hair. All right, y'all know some days are better than others, but I'm going to try to do a little something here. Okay, act like I know what I'm doing, but we're going to do the other side, and then we're going to come back. All right, so this is what I've come up with the baby hair. I mean, I didn't want them to look exactly alike. I'm trying to give it more of a natural, I don't know. Listen, That's what they say you're supposed to do on TikTok, okay? I don't know. But so I tussled with those baby hairs for about 30 minutes. And then once I finally got something acceptable, I went ahead and used my little edge band and wrapped that around there and let them set and get it together. Because, girl, they were stressing me out. These baby hairs, oh, they always stress your girl out, okay? So now it comes to time for me to go ahead and kind of smooth down the top of the unit a little bit so it's not super puffy and, you know, curly, and kind of tame it a little bit. So I'm going to take my wax stick, and it was really waxing. It put a lot of product down. I was like, oops, I didn't mean to do all that, but all right. And then my earring fell out. So it was time to just kind of cut the camera off and get it on the thing, okay? Because at this point, I'm getting a little frustrated. So I'm going to go ahead and use my hot comb while the twins are running through my room and kind of use that to, you know, go over the wax and kind of get that area straightened down and laid down just a little bit on the top and in the back. And yeah, y'all, you know, at the end of the day, I think it turned out really good. And it looks really, really nice. I even like the way that my part came out. It's not too over tweezed, just good enough, you know. Add a little concealer in the middle of that. And look, this is the finished product, y'all. I think I did pretty okay. So now this is my favorite part. I love the mousse part of, of installs. I don't know. And I love this mousse too. It smells really, really good. So I use it all the time and I'm running out all the time. They need to sponsor your girl, but we'll talk about that in another video. But I really do love this mousse. And I'm just taking it and I'm just adding a few pumps, you know, all around the unit to kind of define those curls. And as you can see on the side that I'm working on compared to the side that I'm not working on, it really does tame those curls, get them more defined, and it makes everything just come together really, really nicely, y'all. All right, y'all, so moving on to the back of the unit, as you guys can see, look at that shape, look at that curl pattern, nice and defined. At this point, I'm officially feeling myself. So I took off my little wrap, and this is the finished product. I really like the way my hair turned out, y'all. I like one side better than the other when it comes to the baby hairs, but you can't really see that because the hair is covering it anyway. I really love the finished product, y'all. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. But I do know that you guys need to click the links in the comments and in the description box and run over and get you this 99J, girl. Every girl needs a 99J, especially in the fall and winter. And also, because I love y'all so much, I am going to offer you guys a discount code for you to use on the website to go ahead and snag this unit, y'all, because I know you need it in your hair supply. Okay? I know you need it in your collection. I will see y'all in the next hair video. Bye.